This video tutorial demonstrates the process of changing the PHP version in DirectAdmin. Access your DirectAdmin control panel using the username and password provided in the hosting configuration email from HostEasy. After logging in, go to the Extra Features section. In the Extra Features section, find and click on the Select PHP Version option. The current PHP version will be displayed. Select your desired PHP version from the available options. Click Apply to successfully update the PHP version. Confirm the PHP version by executing a PHP script or utilizing the PHP info function.